start na bumabagal na yung stem cell production inside the body. Then, ang nangyayari po, we are prone na to different diseases. Ito pa isang dahilan. Number 2, wrong diet. Ang mga tao lagi nagmamadali, so they want yung mga fast food, instant food. Kaya umiiksi din po yung lifespan. Inevitable stress, no? Dati hindi ako naniniwala sa stress, but yes, totoo po yan. Excuse me. You know why? Before po nung na-stroke ako, lahat po ng blood chem ko good, pati sugar ko, except one. Alam niyo kung ano yon? Yun pong tinatawag na triglycerides. Pero marginal lang po. Kung 200 yung limit, I am 201. I have friends na umaabot ng 300 to 400 yung triglycerides nila, but hindi po sila na-stroke. No? So, wala po talaga silang makita. So, sabi ng doktor, you might be very stressed in your work. No? Kaya dun lang ako naniwala. And then, of course, pollution. No matter our effort na maglagay sa bahay natin ng mga filters na yan, humidifier, etc., we cannot control pollution 100%. And these are the leading causes of these deadly illnesses, and it has reached a bottleneck crisis in today's medical science. Why? Question. Yun po bang mga sakit na nabanggit ko, may gamot? Maintenance medicines, ladies and gentlemen, is not a cure. Kaya nga siya maintenance, no? Ang sabi doon ay they only contain the disease, not trying to contain the complications. But in reality, habang dumadami po yung maintenance natin, naaapektuhan po yung liver and kidney ng isang tao. Ang mother ko po, dumating siya sa point na may 1 month, pinastop siya na mag-maintenance drugs. Why? Because nag-shutdown po yung liver and kidney niya. Sabi ko, tingnan mo itong mga doktor na to. Pwede pala na 1 month na walang gamot. No? Pero ibabalik din po nila yan over time. No? So yun po yung totoo about medical science. No? Okay? Now, kung ito po yung bad news, the good news is there's a recent medical science breakthrough, and that is the discovery of stem cell. Discovery because this is already innate in nature. Hindi po ito invention. Meaning to say, nasa earth na po talaga yung kailangan natin para mabuhay tayo ng mahaba. It's forced the science, challenge po ng science yan, na ma-discover nila. And thankfully, na-discover nila ang stem cell. Now, what is stem cell? Simple, kapag po pala nag-meet yung sperm cell and ovum ng nanay, sperm cell ni tatay, it forms the mother stem cell. With the duplication process, and then dadami yan, and then pag nabuo na po yung blastocyst, magkakaroon naman ng cell division. Yung iba, ang assignment niya, intestinal stem cell, liver stem cell, nerve stem cell, etc. hanggang po more than 300 different types of stem cells. And mabubuo po yung isang baby. So meaning to say, from that simple illustration, stem cell is the most basic form of all living things or yung organs natin. Kaya po tayo bilang human being from head to toe, we are made up of stem cells. Pero ano po yung logic? The truth is, kapag po may problem tayo, ayan, simulan natin sa mga furniture. Furniture, pag may nasirang furniture na wood, ano yung kailangan mong ipang-repair para bumalik siya sa original form niya? Kailangan wood din. Tama po? Pwede naman na patagpi-tagpi lang, pero hindi na siya ganun katulad ng dati, di ba? Now, let's say may butas yung pader. Pwede naman takpan ng kahit ano yung pader para lang wala nang makita, di ba? Pero but if you want to repair it in such a point na babalik siya sa original form niya, you have to use cement. You have to use the same material. But pag tayo po may sakit, what do we use? Di ba normally synthetic medicines? So may mali, di ba? Kaya pala hindi po siya bumabalik sa original form niya. Now, the good thing is they discovered the stem cell has unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries and a lot of miraculous abilities. In fact, there is a lot of journals, articles around the world that is proving or saying about the miracle of stem cell. No? Katulad po ng Time Magazine, madalas na po nila na-feature ang about stem cell. And some of those, basahin natin yung iba, no, stem cell therapy to treat diabetes, pati nga po yung AIDS patient cured with stem cells. No? Now, yung nasa gitna, yung may Chinese characters, no? Ibig palang sabihin yan, 100 years old man in a body of 50. Gusto nyo ba yun? 100 years old ka na, pero mukha ka lang 50. Di ba masarap yun? So, that is the only known side effect of stem cell. Bumabata po talaga yung lahat ng gumagamit mo. And there's a lot. Kaya sabi dyan, unstoppable medical science trend, greatest revolution of medicine emerged. Now, let's discuss some of the methods of receiving benefits from stem cell today. Ang pinaka-famous po yung placenta injection, wherein the person needs to go abroad, like sa Switzerland, yung pinakasikat, Germany or Panama. And then, syempre, pupunta ka sa abroad, hindi naman kailangan mga 1 or 2 months ka dyan. Kasi yung process po mahaba din siya. Kaya ibig sabihin, you have to stop what you are doing. Yung cost of travel pa lang, expensive na. And take note, yung procedure will cost you million. So very expensive and time-consuming. Then stem cell transplant, very invasive naman. Kasi pwede kang kuhaan ng stem cell, let's say yung mga nagpalay po, may fats po pala. As a fats po pala na nakuha sa kanila may stem cell. Pero kailangan pa yun i-culture. And then let's say itong person na to may problema sa kidney, that's the time na ibabalik yung kanyang stem cell na pinarami na through stem cell transplant. Pero take note ha, wala po yan anesthesia kasi mamamatay ang stem cell kapag may anesthesia. So expensive na, painful pa. Cord blood banking naman po is used sa mga celebrities, no? Pauline Luna sa Pilipinas yung gumamit niyan. Wherein yung part po ng pusod, kasi kung yung placenta o yung inunan yung ipapabangko po nila, napakalaki nun. So napakamahal ng babayaran nila. Kaya po yung part ng pusod pwede na. May mischance, may time limit. Bakit? Mischance because yung po pwedeng gumamit nun, yung nanay lang at saka yung baby. And can you imagine, yung baby at the age of 21 years old, kasi time limit nun 20 years lang. So pag 21 yung baby, wala na siyang source of stem cell. Eh di ba normally nung 21 years old pa tayo, healthy pa tayo. So it may be useful sa mother, pero baka hindi na kay baby. At sad pa, kapag nagkaroon ka ng second child, it may not be compatible to that next child. Okay? Now, adult stem cell banking is para din po siyang stem cell transplant. Although, can you imagine, kung matanda na tayo, tsaka tayo nakapag-decide na magpatago o magpabangko ng stem cell natin, nandun na rin yung sakit natin, di ba? Kaya, sabi nga sayang, kasi yung baby stem cell po talaga, yung pinakamaganda na ipatabi. Now, placenta injection, na simikat yan sa mga beauty salon, but alam natin na there might be safety concerns. Number one, hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung source ng placenta nila. And second, are they even licensed to do that? So, nakakatakot. Ano po? And lastly, kung gusto natin ng free stem cell, it's by maintaining healthy lifestyle. Tama ba? But very inefficient because it entails a lot of persistence. No? Sino ba sa atin yung nakakapag-exercise, walang stress, walang pollution, yung kumakain ng organic palagi, diba? Baka wala na pong nakakagawa nun talaga, day in and day out. So the question is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way para naman tayong mga rich, hindi pa rich and the famous, no? Hindi pa super rich and famous, makatikim naman ng stem cell. Good news, it is made possible because of oral capsule modern technology. Okay? Number 1 po, merong 5 technology na ginamit to make it possible. Ako po mismo, skeptic ako nung una. Paano naging live stem cell sa loob ng capsule? Naisip niyo na po. No, ito po yung sagot. Number 1, ang ginawa po dyan is freeze-drying technology. Take note, wala pong pinatay. Ang source po ng stem cell natin ay deer or usa. Wala pong pinatay na deer sa process. Ang ginagawa lang, hinihintay mga anak si deer to harvest the placenta. At yun po yung fini-freeze-dry nila. Because when they do that, the live stem cell become bioactive in the next 3 to 4 years. So buhay siya in freeze-dried form. Okay? Now, ilalagay po siya sa capsule. Pero bago po yan ilagay sa capsule, yung capsule tatanggalan po ng oxygen. Because anything will oxygen will make it rancid. Magkakaroon din po yan ng bacteria, virus, or etc. So, ibig sabihin, inalis ang oxygen, pero pinalitan po yan ng nitrogen to support the life of the stem cell. So, can you imagine, no? Para po pala siyang may maliliit na refrigerator. So, yung stem cell po natin, kung meron po kayo sa bahay niya, utang na loob lang, karamihan ng mga tao nakikita ko niyan, nilalagay po sa ref. Hindi po nilalagay sa ref ang ating product. No? Ilagay nyo lang po sila sa dry place area sa bahay natin na hindi po siya nasisikatan ng araw. No? Pero hindi po sa loob ng refrigerator. Okay? Third technology na ginamit is enteric coated technology. Hindi po ito ordinary capsule yung may sumpungan. No. Closed po talaga siya. Bakit? Because enteric coated technology can withstand the stomach acid. Meaning to say, dadaan lang po siya sa tiyan. Hindi siya doon matutunaw. Makikiraan lang. So the best time po na inumin ang ating product is before eating or walang laman yung tiyan para dire-diretso na siya. Kasi bakit? Acidic po ang tiyan natin because of the digestive enzymes na ginagamit para tunawin yung pagkain. Ang lahat po ng tiyan ng adult, acidic in nature. Okay? Pero yung small intestine po natin, alkaline na yan in nature. So, ibig po sabihin, pumunta po siya doon sa small intestine, doon siya magra-rapid burst, no? Pansinin nyo, di ba pagka po tayo ay uminom ng, halimbawa, yung fish liver oil, pag uminom ka po niyan at nasa soft gel lang siya, pag dumighay ka, lasang isda. Tama ba? Pero pag naka-enteric coated po yan, pag dumighay ka, wala pong lasa. Okay? And then ito pa ang pinakagusto ko sa enteric coated. Normally, when we take other vitamins, especially vitamin C, alam niyo po ba, nakaramihan niya na iniihi lang natin. I'll give you an example. For my body weight, ang required po sa akin na intake ng vitamin C is 1,000 milligrams per day. But kapag magpapa-inject pala ako ng vitamin C, I only need 100 milligrams. So, ibig sabihin, alam ng mga doktor na 10% lang yung kayang i-absorb ng body natin pag dumaan yan sa stomach natin. Tama ba? Kaya po ang ihi natin madilaw. That is the reason, no? Pero sa enteric coated technology, mapapansin niyo po yan, almost clear po yung ihi, kung lalo na kung hindi po kayo dehydrated, almost clear or hindi po siya yung madilaw. No, light po siya. Okay? So, napakaganda. Alam mo na yung binili mo na-absorb ng body mo. What is the other advantage of this one? Dahil hindi po siya sa small intestine siya natunaw. Napansin nyo ba? Hindi na siya dumaan sa liver and kidney to process dahil diretso siya sa bloodstream. So this is the best and safest food supplement that can be taken by people with liver and kidney problems. No? Okay. Now, tingnan po natin yung emulsification technology naman. Okay? Ano yan, emulsification technology? Yung larger molecules po, pinaliit para kaya po niyang mag-penetrate sa loob ng katawan natin na may pinakamaliliit na ugat like our eyes and the brain. And the BioSoftGel technology po ensures that yung mga ingredients po ay na-absorb mabuti at mabilis po yung delivery sa ating katawan. Okay? So lahat po ng technology na iyan ang ginamit para po sa ating napakagandang product which is called Pure Cheer Placenta. Pure cheer means purity of a deer. No? Dahil nga po ang source na ginamit natin ay deer. Okay? Dahil po yung deer ay siya po ay tinatawag na divine beast din during the emperor's time pa. Yung iba't ibang parts po ng deer ay alam nila na nakakagaling. In fact, ako po mismo nagulat. I have one client na Chinese family sila. Sabi nila, nung nalaman nilang deer placenta to, ay talaga, maganda nga yan pag deer kasi sila mismo, meron po silang sungay ng deer sa bahay. What they do pag may ubo, lagnat, sipon sila, kinakaskas po nila yun. And then afterwards, pinapakuluan yun yung iniinom because Chinese people are not fond of taking synthetic medicine. No? Now, Pure Placenta is the answer to reverse aging. So, pinapabata po niya, hindi lang po yung mukha natin, yung organ po ng katawan natin. Kaya po, it reflects on the outside. Siyempre, pag marami kang stem cell inside, bata yung system mo, magiging bata rin po yung itsura mo. Right now, it's already on its 6th edition, though our main office or headquarters is in Singapore, but our product is made in the cleanest country in the world, which is New Zealand. Dahil nandun din po yung deer farm, no? So pagka-harvest, diretso na po yan sa factory. Now, why do we need food supplements nga ba or health supplements? Siyempre, no, to supplement yung nutrients na kailangan ng body dahil hindi po talaga natin yan nakakain lahat yung mga kung table food lang yung aasahan natin. Prevention, recovery, no, yung mga galing sa malulubhang sakit or na surgery sila, they need that for fast recovery. And then to lower the high, no, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high sugar. And then protect, and yung detox kailangan din yan. But alam niyo po ba, when it comes to regeneration and repair, only a stem cell can do that. And ang maganda po, Purecare Placenta's standard is to have one product to fulfill all your health supplements needs. So, in the past 15 years, Reway has only one health product, and that is Purecare Placenta. Meaning to say, kahit anong sakit mo, kahit wala kang sakit, gusto mo lang magpa-healthy, gusto mo lang magpa-beauty, Purecare Placenta is best for us. Okay? Now, let's see, yung evolution po of Purecare Placenta, syempre, nag-start po yan sa first edition. First edition po, meron siyang deer placenta, 50 milligrams, may avocado extract, squalene, meron siyang aloe vera extract, borage extract. Second edition, dinagdagan ng marine collagen, evening primrose. Third edition, dinagdagan ng xantho. Fourth edition, dinagdagan ng lycopene. Fifth edition, dinagdagan siya ng dendrobium. So, ang pinakamaganda po sa Reway, can you imagine? Regardless of cost, there was no price increase pursuing perfection. No? From first edition, up to that level, wala po yung price increase. Actually, hanggang dun sa 6th edition. No? Kaya wala po yung price increase na nag-start sila. Kaya grabe po yung heart ng Reway. And right now, on the 6th edition, alam nyo ba, 6th edition natin, doble na po yung stem cell content. Kung napakadami before na mga, ano tawag dito, na mga testimonies on 50 milligrams of stem cell pala. How much more po kaya kapag ito ay 100 milligrams? Can you imagine? Kasi dinoble. And then dati nang may marine collagen, pero dinagdagan pa rin po siya. Dinagdagan po ng marine collagen peptides and nag-add din po ng apple polyphenol, no? Because maganda po talaga yung apple polyphenol, napaka-high in antioxidants din po niya, and it's a source of natural insulin. Dinagdagan pa ulit ng fucoidan extract, which is recognized po yan sa top health supplement because it fights cancer cells without harming the good cells. No? Kaya parang meron po siyang parang chemotherapy, pero it's not harming the good cell. Okay? Now, with not only that, this is po yung pinakamagandang ingredient on the 6th edition. It is called nucleoclavan. And nucleoclavan is found on the extracted po siya sa rare white strawberry na nakikita lang po sa Awaji Island, Japan. No, alam niyo po ba yung ginagawa nito? It is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-tumor, and then yung effectively regulates the NF-κB activation. Yan po, ang isa pang sinasabi niya ay yung health concern natin, it corrects the health concern up to the genetic level. What does it mean? Meaning to say yung may asthma, halimbawa yung isang tao may asthma siya, alam niyo po ba na kapag may asthma ka, na ipapamana po yan? No? So, ang sama naman kung ang pamana sa anak ay asthma. So, pero yung isang tao, kapag kinure po niya yung asthma niya up to the point na talagang wala na, hindi na po niya yung maipapamana sa anak niya. Kasi it is totally corrected up to the genetic level. And ang pinakamaganda po, nobody po na makakaklaim na we have a product na pareho ng Purecare Placenta. You know why? Because nucleoclavan has been patented, kaya may TM siya, no trademark, patented by Reway International. So meaning to say, Riway is the only one that can use this formulation for the next 20 years. No? Now, ito po lahat, yung unique and integrated formulation ng Pure Cheer Placenta. Again, ulitin ko lang, no? Dear Placenta, and then the nucleoclave galing sa rare white strawberry, Pucaidan extract, yung cancer-fighting ingredient po natin, apple polyphenol, dendrobium, longevity po yan. Yan po yung, sabi nga Chinese immortality herbs. Kaya po tayo, marami tayong testimonies dito na mapuputulan na sana ng paa o ng daliri because of gangrene diabetes. Pero na-recover po siya. No, marine collagen, hindi lang pampabeauty yung marine collagen, pero lalo na po sa mga joints. Kaya may problem din ng arthritis, mga rheumatism na a-addressan. Evening primrose naman, sa mga babae po yan na premenopausal or even menopausal stage na. Squalene, avocado oil, borage oil, or sources po yan ng good cholesterol. Aloe vera extract. Diba before, meron, kung aware po kayo, merong isang food supplement na sumikat din siya. Ang ingredient lang niya, aloe vera extract. Because yes, maganda po talaga yung aloe vera. No? Kaya ibig sabihin, alam din ng Riway yan, kaya kasama yan. And then lycopene. Yan po lahat ng ingredient ng ating product. So come to think of it, ako po, personal opinion ko to. Excuse me. Ganito po talaga pag nag-video kay earlier. Ano? So, ano to? Ganyan, yan ingredient na yan. Isipin nyo, para sa akin, mas maganda pa tong Pure Cheer Placenta kesa po sa mga nagpag-injection. You know why? Nagpa-injection ka nga. The question is, what are you eating after you go home? Kasi, if hindi po complete yung nutrients na ini-intake mo, hindi po masusupport yung life ng stem cell para po makapag-duplicate sila inside your body. But can you imagine how intelligent the formulation of Pure Cheer Placenta? Kasama na po lahat ng nutrients na kailangan ng body natin. May stem cell pa in one package. No? So, sobrang ganda po niya. Kaya po, sino ang pwedeng mag-take ng Pure Cheer Placenta? The answer is anybody that wants to gain better health in 6 months period of time. Ito po, illustration na to are for people na more on preventive pa lang po. Hindi po ito yung dosage para dun sa mga tao na may malala ng sakit. Paano niyo po masasabi na you are seriously ill? Kung may maintenance medicine na po kayo ng maraming taon na, serious na po yung sakit. No? Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. So, baka mas mahaba yung kailangan po natin. Okay? So, kasi dito, sa yung one bottle natin of 60 capsules, sa first month mo, makakadalawang bote ka. Because you need dalawa sa umaga, dalawa sa gabi. Sa second month, isa sa umaga, isa sa gabi na lang up to the 6th month. So, yung one set natin, that is good for 6 months therapy. Ganyan po kaganda ang Pure Cheer. And now, ayan, ganyan na po kadaming tao ang talaga namang engaged sa Riway. Yan po mga leaders na yan, parang kami rin po. Hindi po yan basta lamang na kasi kumita. Bago po kami kumita sa Riway, uminom po kami ng Pure Cheer. Uminom po yung pamilya namin. Nakita namin yung effect, no? Siguro po kung lahat kami nakita mo dito na nangangalumata kami, tapos pumangit po kami mula nung nag-Riway kami, baka po hindi kayo maniwala, no? Pero alam niyo po, sa kabila po ng mga magaganda naming mukha, pagod na pagod po yung katawan lupa namin. Ganun po yung effect ng Pure Cheer Placenta. Okay, so this ends my presentation. Pero gusto kong sabihin, I'd like to discuss the price. Siyempre, importante po yun, no? Kaya nasa last kasi yung slide. Okay, magkano yan? Huwag po kayong mag-alala, hindi po ito milyon, okay? Pero yung effect, millions po talaga. So, ang one bottle of 60 capsules is 25,600 pesos. Okay? Now, yun naman pag bumili ka ng one set or 7 bottles, yan po ay 166,000. Kaya po meron kang outright savings na 13,200. Kaya talagang people are really buying po yung per set. Kasi nakikita nila. And then, of course, kay one bottle ang binili mo or one set, it comes with a registration. Meaning to say, nagiging partner po, ayan, thank you sis, nagiging partner po tayo ng Riway. Diba? Yung iba po bumibili yan ng iPhone, more than 100,000. Pero pag bumili ka ba ng iPhone na more than 100,000, pwede ka nang magbenta ng iPhone? Di ba hindi? Pero sa Reway, it's a different thing. So take note, kapag mura po yung product na nakikita natin, you have to question it. No? Tama ba? Kasi yung iba sa inyo, syempre, mabibilis ang kamay, no? Baka ngayon pala, ay bakit sa may nakita ako sa online ang mura? Ay magtaka na po kayo. Ako po honestly, di po ako umiinom ng mga yung iniinom talaga ha. Pwede yan kung sa labas lang ng katawan. Pero yung ipapasok ko sa loob ng katawan, hindi po ako bumibili sa mga online platform. I have to see the people. Tama ba? Na nag-aalok niyan. And I have to go directly to the company para po meron tayo liability or accountable po, di ba? So yun po yung advice ko sa ating lahat. So, ayun po, sabi ko nga po, ang iiwanan ko na lang po na salita sa atin is health is our most precious wealth. Kaya po ingatan po natin yung health natin dahil tandaan niyo po, yung pera kayang-kayang ubusin yan ng malalang sakit. So take care of our health and that is by using Pure Triplacent. Thank you very much, everyone.
Right, let's give a round of applause to our Diamond 2-star Engineer Sharon Aguinaldo. Thank you so much, Ms. Sharon, for presenting a very clear and very informative presentation. Do you agree? A thumbs up naman if you learned so much from our speaker for tonight. Yan. So alam ko, yung mga nandito, yung mga first-timer, talagang there is really a question in your mind na talaga meron ba talagang product that exists like this? And you will ask, effective ba kaya yan? Tama ba? Di ba? Yun naman usually yung tinatanong natin whenever someone introduced us a new product. Okay? And the next speaker that I will going to introduce to you is the person that brought me to Reway. All right? And she will show to us these amazing individuals that gave an opportunity, that gave a chance for themselves and for their family to try our oral stem cell. So let's welcome our Team Elite Pavo, Engineer Mylene Amugis.
Ayan, good evening everyone. I'll be sharing some of testimonies to you para makita nyo talaga that in the past 15 years, so far, these are some of our clients, personal clients who were able to see how effective the product Reway is. So I will flash some of it kasi kung i-go through po natin lahat ng testimonies, hindi po tayo matatapos in 5 days. So I have some special testimonies for you. So what's on your screen is my client from Gensan. In fact, she is only 14 years old. Ang nanay po niya is a teacher. So nung nalaman ng nanay, kung makikita nyo po, yung kanyang tumor, brain tumor, na-diagnose siya ng brain tumor nung nag-seizure po siya. So dinala siya sa hospital and then an MRI. Kasi pag seizure, brain talaga yan. So what happened, nakita po na yung kanyang tumor is 3.1 by 3.5 by 3.0. And then right there and then, the doctor prescribed her anti-seizure medicine. So para hindi siya mag-seizure. So twice a day yan, morning and night. And then after that, wala na pong ibang gamot. Kasi the only solution is operation. And during the time, the doctor was asking the nanay 1.2 million for the operation. Dadalhin po sila sa San Juan de Dios for the operation. No? And then, yung nanay, syempre, ang operation is very risky. Dito po, kung makikita nyo, sabi dyan, tumoral bleed. So, nandito yung tumor. Nakapress na sa brain niya, kaya siya nagsisisure with extensive vasogenic edema, which means madaming nana. Nagdudugo po yung tumor left and right. And then, meron pa siyang puro nana and then meron pa siyang tubig mild communicating hydrocephalus. So, the mother decided to try Purecure. September po sila nag-start uminom. And then, what they do MRI every 6 months. And then, after 1.5 mga 1 year and 4 months of taking, kasi what happened before is that yung nanay, since she's a teacher, kulang po talaga yung budget. And then ginagapang po niya, sometimes nakakainom 4 capsules, minsan 2, minsan isa the other day. Kasi talagang ginagapang niya, lahat po ng loanan na niya. No? Yun yung sabi ng nanay. So, 1 year and 4 months, actually pang-apat na nila na MRI, ito po yung result. No? So, yung bukol from 3.1, after 6 months, naging 2.8 by 2.0. And before, kung mapapansin nyo, 3-dimensional yan, meaning mayroong laman. After 6 months, wala na siyang laman, and then after 1 year mahigit, 1.3 by 1.0. When I consulted this to my cousin na doctor, sabi niya, hindi talaga yan magsisiro. Kasi what is left is peklat na lang po, scar na lang yung naiwan. And as you can see sa kanyang impression, it's already healed. And kung makikita nyo, lahat-lahat po unremarkable. Wala na siyang hydrocephalus, wala na siyang midline shift, unremarkable na lahat, wala nang mga laman, wala nang nana. No? And then, this one is the partner of my brother. Actually, nung nag-start na sumakit yung kanyang tiyan, nag-start na siya na mag-take ng Purecure. And then 9 capsules a day. And then hindi namin alam na 4 days na palang pumutok yung kanyang appendix. Kung hindi po siya uminom ng Purecure, patay na po siya in 24 hours na hindi siya na-opera after pumutok yung kanyang appendix, kasi what will happen, magkakaroon po siya ng sepsis. So magsisepsis shock, mamamatay po siya in 24 hours. Kaya very crucial yan. So nung nakita ng doktor na kalat na sa loob ng tiyan, 4 days na daw pumutok, and sabi ng doktor, you're so lucky. Miracle talaga kasi or else hindi ka buhay. What happened? Nilabas lahat ng bituka kaya sobrang haba ng operation, nilinis lahat, pero yung malpractice ng doktor dito is dapat pala pag pumutok na yung appendix, kailangan lagyan mo siya ng drain. Hindi po nilagyan ng doktor ng drain. What happened after 1 month, nag-ipon po ng 1 litrong nana. Nakita po yan sa MRI, ay sa CT scan na meron pong 1 litrong nana. Kaya pala after 1 month of operation, hindi na bumababa yung lagnat. In fact, yung binibigay sa kanya during that time is already anti-infective. So ganun na siya, grabe na yung infection. And then, sinalang siya ulit, inopera, luckily, tuloy-tuloy yung inom niya ng Purecure, wala pong na-damage na any organ. So right after the second operation, ayan na po, nilagyan na siya ngayon ng drain. This time, nilagyan na siya ng drain kasi na-realize nila mali yung unang operation. And so, what happened? Ito na po siya ngayon. No, naka-recover. This one, next testimony is body collapse, osteoporosis, bedridden for 4 months, hindi na po yan nakakalakad. Ayan na si Kaal. This is from Pulumulo, South Cotabato. And then after 2 months after 2 bottles, 1 month of taking, ayan na po si tatay. In 1 month, nagte-testimony na si tatay sa Jensen. Ayan na siya. Naglalakad na si tatay. And then, ito pong kasunod, kung ako po 1,000 times skeptic, nega, ito po 1 million times skeptic. Bakit po? Meneses, Doña Victoria Meneses. Kung alam nyo po yung hospital dito sa Calamba, which is familiar kasi siya with Global Medical Center.
Yes.
Yes, malapit sa I-Mall. They are the owner of that hospital. They are the founder. Yung harap po ng hospital is their salon, their spa, their 7-Eleven, their resort. 3 po yung resort na meron sila. Si Doña Victoria, 2 years ng stroke, hindi po nakakalakad. Saan po siya nagpapatherapy? Sa US. Can you imagine, ladies and gentlemen, sobrang daming pera nagpapatherapy sa US. Nung piniresentahan namin, they were so sarcastic. Sabi niya sa akin, Miss May, sa US nga ako nagpapatherapy. Sa US nga ako nagpapagamot. Nandun lahat ng pinakamagaling na doktor, pinakamagaling na facilities. Bakit hindi ako nakalakad? Then sabi ko, ma'am, since nagawa mo na lahat from the most prestigious hospital in the world, therapist in the world, bakit walang nangyari sa'yo? So, might as well give yourself a chance. So, sabi ko, iwan ko tong 1 bottle, inumin mo. What happened? After 3 days, tinigil po niya kasi nagkaroon po siya ng mga allergies sa kamay. Sabi ko, ma'am, hindi mo kailangang stop. It's because normal kasi may allergies ka before taking. So, lalabas lahat yan. So, nakinig naman siya, in-explain namin ng mabuti. After 15 days, sabi ng anak niya, buti na lang nakinig tayo. This is what happened after 15 days. Ito po, yung anak po niya, yung nagbe-video mismo. 15 days, total of filter placenta, she was able to walk. Hindi po yan exaggerated kahit i-message niyo po siya sa messenger, ibigay namin yung anak, yung messenger ng anak niya. Yung video nito is anak niya mismo.
Support here. There's a lot of improvement. Nakakalakad na siya. Pati pang exercise.
You see? Yung anak niya mismo nagsasabi, because of future, he was able to walk. And this one is diabetic case, no? Hindi na po makontrol ang kanyang diabetes, 4 insulin injection per day, regardless. Kasi pag sobrang taas ng sugar mo sa katawan, ang unang titirahin is your eyes or your kidney. In this case, mata po niya almost blind. What happened? Wala na siyang other choice. Nung unang pinresent sa kanya yung future, sabi niya, talk to my hand. Kasi bakit? Sobrang yaman yan, taga Singapore yan. Merong 10 store ng mga accessories and cellphone. Pero nung wala na siyang choice, lumapit po siya sa taga future. And then sabi niya, I'll buy 1 set. What happened? Nilaklak niya yung 7 bottles in 1 month. And then nakita niya magandang effect. Bumili siya ulit ng another set. Nilaklak niya for the 2nd month. Another set, nilaklak niya ulit 1 month lang for the 3rd month. This is what happened after 3 months. And ayan po siya ngayon. He is number 1, no, in the entire Reway International because of his testimony. This one, bouncer na contract ng AIDS, butot balat, after 6 months siya na po yung sa picture. Sa mga cases po ng AIDS, kailangan mong tuloy-tuloy uminom kasi na kailangan magiging asymptomatic yung virus, parang hindi na sila nakakagalaw. It's because mataas yung immune system. Itataas mo yung immune system para masuppress yung virus. And then, Amina Jeanette Datucan, she is a teacher in Ateneo de Davao. Actually, mayaman sila. May wari po siya ng hotel. So, when she started taking, ito po yung maintenance niya. Steroid, 2.5 milligrams. Kaya kung mapapansin mo, moon face yung kanyang face. Bloated po siya, mataba because of steroid. After 6 months of taking, ayan siya. And right now, ayan na po siya. And ngayon, wala na siyang maintenance medication and has been taking this for more than 3 years, ladies and gentlemen. And then stroke patient, another stroke patient, galing po ulit sa US. Sabi niya sa akin, same, pareho sila ng sinabi ni Doña Victoria. Miss May, galing ako sa US, nurse ako doon for 15 years pero walang nakapagpagaling sa akin. And then yet, andito ka, dadalhan mo ako ng bote-bote na yan. I don't believe. But, no, after the presentation, na-convince siya to try 1 bottle. After 3 months, ayan na po siya. Tingnan nyo lang po even the before and after picture. No? And then, ayan na si mother. Kung makikita mo talagang very evident yung reverse aging. This one, diabetic, mataas yung sugar, kinagat ng langgam, kinamot niya, kaliwaan, kabilaan na po yan, kabilaan ng paabulok. Pero medyo mild pa lang po ito. Nakikiano po ako dun sa mga kumakain, meron pa pong mas malalang kasunod. After 5 months, ayan po yung kanyang paa, healed. This one, kung worst po yun, sobrang worst po ito. Pasintabi po sa mga kumakain. Ang amoy po ng bahay nila nung pumunta kami, patay. Amoy patay, literally. Stroke patient siya and then mataas ang sugar, bulok na po yung paa. Kung titingnan nyo yung dalawang kuko, natanggal, agnas na po yan, itim na talaga, bulok na po, patay na po yan. So what happened? No? Hinuhugasan lang niya ng dahon ng bayabas. Ang only option ng doctor is amputation. So ayaw niya magpa-amputate, still nilalaban niya yung paa niya. Nag-try siya ng future, after 1 bottle, ang una-una pong nawala yung amoy patay. And then, tuloy-tuloy na uminom, ayan, minomonitor po yan. And then, after mga ilang bottles, 3 to 4 bottles, ayan na po ang nangyari. Kung mapapansin niyo, yung patay niya na kuko, nawala na. No? And then, ito na po siya after 8 months po siyang uminom. Ayan. Tingnan niyo po, nawala po yung mga kuko na patay na itim. Pero healed po siya. You see? And then, ito po yung kanyang before and after. And then, this one, our youngest na client, no, 3 months old, actually, ano siya, nung ipinanganak yung nanay may TB. So, nung ipinanganak yung bata, may TB yung bata. Kung makikita nyo yung kamay niya dito sa left na part, hindi na po gumagana lahat ng antibiotic na sinasaksak sa kanya. Nag-post yung tatay, what happened? Nag-ambag-ambag po kami ng tig sa 10 capsule, sis my guest. Nag-ambag-ambag kami ng tig sa 10 capsule and then pinainom siya. After 26 hours, ganyan na po itsura ng bata. And then, ayan na po siya ngayon. Kung ako tatanungin nyo, Miss Mai, pwede ba to sa may mga maintenance? Pwede ba to sa lahat ng tao? Safe ba to? Yes, it is safe. Later, i-explain ko bakit siya safe, no? Ito po yung tatay namin. The very reason why we are in Riway International. And like I always says, kung gagamitin ko lang yung product for me to earn, including yung integridad ko po as a person, as an engineer, kung pera lang din habol ko, kaya ko naman kitain yan. Magtatrabaho lang ako. But then, because we were able to see the result, the effect of the product sa papa namin, hindi po kami pwedeng maging selfish na kami lang yung nakakaalam ng product na to. From bedridden, COPD, severe COPD, 8 to 10 times nagne-nebulize in 24 hours, merong oxygen sa tabi, from time to time nag-o-oxygen po siya. After 6 months of taking, ladies and gentlemen, wala na siyang nebulizer. In fact, yung nebulizer na ngayon, hindi na namin mahanap na saan. Ang meron na lang siya yung steroid puff. Yung puff na gano'n na ginaganon niya. And sometimes, isang beses, isang linggo, gano'n na lang yung gamit niya. And can you imagine, that was 4 years ago. 4 years ago pa pong nag-take yung tatay namin. And then, after 3 months, yan na nga, nakakamotor na siya, lumalabas na ng bahay, then gumagala na yan kung saan-saan. Pupunta ng farm. No? And then, yan yung kanyang latest picture. And then, those are some of our testimonies, no? And of course, kahit nakita na natin yung mga testimonies, syempre, we still have doubt. But then, what I would like to call in after me is siya yung taong isa din sa mga naniwala sa amin. No, in fact, nung na-meet ko po sila, yung sister niya is a nurse in the US, no? And then nung na-meet ko sila, yung sister niya doesn't believe at all. Skeptic po, sobrang skeptic. As a nurse by profession, you have the right to be skeptic kasi alam mo yung mga medicines, alam mo you're inclined to medicinal practices. But then after my presentation, yung sister po niya mismo yung bumili agad-agad ng 1 set. And during that time, I said to her when I learned about her condition, sabi ko, ma'am, since nasa stage 0 ka pa, if you will undergo operation, chemo, radiation, etc., grabe pong stress ang ibibigay sa'yo nun. So might as well, since nasa 0 stage ka pa, you try future. It's because I can guarantee you that if you use stem cell, you will have peace of mind. And so sabi ko, subukan mo ma'am, kasi yung pera na yan, kaya mo pang kitain ng paulit-ulit. And here, she comes after 4 months of taking the Purecure, no? Siya na lang po yung magsasabi ng kanyang experiences, yung before and after niya. And so, please help me welcome our testimony speaker, Ma'am Lilian Pereya. Stop sharing lang po ako ng screen. And then,
Ayan, so pwede na ma-unmute. Ayan, so good evening po sa inyong lahat, no? So tama po yung kinuwento ni Ma'am Mai, no? So, yun nga po, no? So I was with my sister that time. Ayan, so again, I like to introduce myself po, no? My name is Lilian Pereya, no? So I also work from work on a corporate industry from an IT, I'm an IT profession for 14 years, no? So yun, so allow me to share also my my personal testimony, no. So bakit nga po ba ako nandito ngayon? So in fact, pwede ko naman po talagang no, I just want to keep it to myself, no. Sarilinin ko lang yung nangyari po sa akin, no. How Purecure has helped me for my illness. Simply because I felt that I owe sharing it to other people, no. I don't want to be unselfish na may makikita po akong tao o may na naririnig po ako na tao na also experiencing emotional, so nandiyan po yung physical and even financial difficulties din po, no, na sa dami na po na pagdaanan nila, and of course they don't have the peace of mind, no, struggling their own health problems. Totoo po yan. So yung pinakita po kaninang slide ni Ma'am Shawi, so among the top 10 killers, so pinakita po dyan is yung pang top 10, yun po yung case ko po. It's a breast cancer. So actually it all started, no, with uncertain breast discomfort. So alam po ng mga kababaihan po yan, no. So nandiyan po yung parang feeling mo parang laging nagsuswell. So sometimes po parang may napipinch po dun sa areas ng ng breast mo. So of course hindi ka po makampante po sa ganun. Parang there's something wrong. So I decided to go to a breast surgeon. So nag-request po ako ng breast ultrasound, and this happened last year of October 2022. So lumabas po yung result. Ayan, so and true enough, there were suspicious abnormalities nga po and findings dun sa aking breast ultrasound. So nandyan po yung tinatawag nila sa solid hypoechoic. So in layman's term, yan po yung mga lymph nodes, yan po yung mga tumors. So, meron din pong nakitang tiny calcification. So, it's an early sign of cancer. So, yun na po pala yun, no? So, just to verify, I was asked to undergo biopsy. So, in short po, na biopsy po ako, and it was done immediately, no? Na-request po kagad yan ng aking surgeon. And it took, I know it's no, parang at least 3 weeks bago mo makuha yung result. For me, it's more than 3 weeks, no? It took me more than 4 weeks kasi naabutan po ako ng holiday that time. So, imagine nyo na lang po, no? If you're waiting for a result of a biopsy, so, yung hindi ka po makatulog, nakaka-relate po siguro iba dyan, no? Nakaranas na rin po magpa-biopsy, so, hindi ka makatulog, kakaisip. So, at that time kasi nung umuwi yung sister ko po, no? So from US nga po, and then they spend the Christmas holiday season. So syempre namamasyal po kami. So hindi ako makapagsaya, parang there's something behind my my mind na meron akong inaantay na resulta. So I hope may nakaka-relate po sa ganyan, no. And then so ganun nga po, when I got the biopsy report, ayan, so bumungad po agad sa akin is ako mag-isa lang po ang pumunta dun sa hospital to get the result. Carcinoma. So it says there ductal carcinoma in situ. Ayan. So I am very much familiar with carcinoma. So alam ko po it's a cancer. So the first thing that I did So, siyempre, hindi ko po alam yung term na yan eh. So, I Googled it. So, tingnan ko how serious it is, no? Kung gaano ba siya kalala. So, I found that it is a DCIS, no? It's an early stage of breast cancer. So, stage 0 po siya. And the normal recommendation po is to undergo mastectomy. Ayan, so, ang advice po ng surgeon is tanggalin na po yung entire breast kung saan po yung may cancer. In my case, sa left po siya. Sa left po yung gustong tanggalin ng surgeon. So, nung time po na yon, so, unang-una ko po talagang inisip, no, of course, as a mother of two. So, natakot po ako, no, not for myself. It's for my, for my children. I have 9 and 5 kids. So, can you imagine po, no? So, maliliit pa po yung mga anak ko. Ang dami pong parang what ifs in my mind. So, alam niyo po, no, I still try to compose myself. Sabi ko kay Lord, Lord, I'm still thankful kasi it was detected earlier than stage 3 and stage 4. Yung iba nga po, no, so sobrang late na nalalaman. So thankful pa rin po ako, no, in God's faith despite of the situation. And ayun nga po, dun ko na-recall, no, about the stem cell portier. Kasi may, dati hindi ko po siya talaga pinansin. I never thought na babalikan ko from a friend who once told me about the benefits na dapat sana for my father. So it's not for me. Na-share niya lang sa akin. So ikwento ko lang din po, no, very quick lang. Kasi ito po yung one of the main reasons that triggers me to try stem cell. So my father just died of pancreatic cancer. So that was just last year of September. So imagine na lang po, no, nasa grieving stage pa po kami then, back then. So hindi pa po natatapos ang taon na 2022. And here comes another emotional stress for my family. I talked to Coach May, no? So, siya po kasi yung hindi na po siya iba sa akin. Siya po yung medyo sa akin about the career. She was my business partner from another company. So, actually, medyo nagulat siya, no? Actually, when I told her about my findings. And I told her that I wanted to try the stem cell therapy. And hindi na po ako magpapa-opera muna. Magpapa-mastectomy. And then she immediately set an appointment with Miss Mai, no? And I was accompanied by my eldest sister. Yun nga po, so na-mention kanina ni Ma'am Mai, so marami din siyang tanong kasi nga po nurse siya. So ang dami niyang, medyo talagang skeptical po siya. Sabi ko nga, minsan ginaano ko nga, parang sinisiko ko kasi parang ang dami niyang masyadong tanong. Ayan, so, and she is also concerned with her son. So I have a nephew or anak ko na ate ko na may autism. So she wanted to ask about kung paano makakatulong sa anak niya. So yun. So fast forward po, I tried the portier and I was advised to take high dose. So high dose of 9 capsules a day. That's for 3 months. Sabi ni Mamay, sabi niya, and then mag-high dose ka, kaysa inuunti-unti mo siya, mas matagal, saka pa hindi mo mas mararamdaman yung effect talaga sa katawan. So, and then I can have my breast and mammogram test again. So, sa totoo lang po, no, during my first 3 weeks, so kinamusta na ako ni Mamay, sabi niya, kamusta ka na, sabi niya. Sabi ko, I think, I felt there's something really good happening. Sabi ko sa katawan ko, no? Kasi na-lesser talaga yung discomfort eh. Kasi dati hindi ko kaya magsuot ng bra the whole day, parang hindi ako komportable. So I had that trust and continued taking it for 4 months. So in-extend ko pa po siya, hindi lang siya 3 months, in-extend ko siya ng 4 months. And just this April of 2023, ayan, so I think nandun din kasama dun sa slide. April of 2023, no, just this month lang yan. So in Jesus' name po, no, my mammogram showed. Kung makita niyo po sa slides, so nandiyan po yung mga actual results. Ang lumabas po is no suspicious discrete masses. So no abnormal microcalcifications, no architectural distortion, no skin thickening, and other indirect evidence of malignancy identified. So sa mammogram pa lang po yan ha. So sinigurado rin po nung surgeon na another test. So I also have the ultrasound. So alam niyo po kung anong naging result din po doon. So unechoic na po yung mga nodules. Ibig sabihin po, kung dati po na puro lymph nodes and tumors, napalitan na lang po siya ng mga ordinary cysts. Ayan. So wala na rin po siyang ductal ectasia. So yung mga bukol po sa axillary areas, yun po yung sa mga armpit. So it's all remarkable bilaterally. Ayan. So yan dyan po pinapakita po ni Ma'am Mai. So ang final impression po, no, the good news is both breast benign. Ayan. So benign na po siya, no. So wala po talagang nakita. So it's BI-RADS 2 na po. From BI-RADS 2, BI-RADS 2 na po siya from BI-RADS 4. Ayan. So talaga pong hindi ko po talaga maiwasan emotionally po, no. Emotionally happy this time. Hindi na po ko emotional na malungkot. So, can everyone give a heart nga po? Kasi sobrang unexpected po talaga yung result sa akin. Alam ko po mas malala pa po yung iba. Pero for me na, alam niyo po yung, kung ikaw mismo po kasi nakaka-experience, no, talaga hindi mo po maiwasan na maging na matuwa po talaga. Yun, so yung tipong mapapaano ka na lang po talaga, thank you Lord, praise God ka na lang na I got the result. Parang feeling mo daig ko pang tumama po sa loto. So it's all worth trying and believing. And of course, by the power of all the prayers po, no, hindi po mawawala yan. And nandun po talaga yung yung sa mga first timers po dito, nandun po talaga yung action on trying the stem cell. So I took it religiously for 4 months. So 9 capsules, wala pong palya yan. Ladies and gentlemen, 4-year placenta has been really the Lord's instrument for my healing. So, isa po yun talaga sa talagang pinagpapasalamat ko po talaga. And one more thing po, no, idagdag ko na lang po na just a health tip din po pala, no. So importante din po sa ating mga kababaihan na let's be vigilant, no, be observant with our body signals. Na kapag may nararamdaman na po tayong something unusual, lalo na po sa breast natin, no, even before we reach the age of 40s. Ideally kasi yan po yung time na dapat nagpapatest po tayo. So wag po tayong matakot pumunta po sa doktor. So sabi nga po, I remember Ma'am Shawi na mentioned about na hindi natin pinapalayo ang mga sa doktor ang mga pasyente. Dahil kung hindi din naman po sa kanila, hindi naman po natin malalaman or I wouldn't know earlier my illness. And I know it was not an accident that Pertier was introduced to me. I know it has a genuine purpose and it really inspired me to share now my personal testimony, to shed light, hope, and positivity. And sana mabigyan ako ng strength and the courage to share and help more people in the future. So even, and the good news also is even my mother and my family of my sisters are already taking the 4th year. So for the vitality of their health. So naniniwala na sila. Na, although my mother has been very supportive to me naman ever since. Kumagano lang. Although at first gusto niya magpa-opera na ako. Pero I stand for it na hindi muna. So before I end my my sharing, I want to take this opportunity to thank Ma'am May and Ma'am Mai, no, for of course in this Zoom, no, for being part of this journey. That we in Riway will continue to be a channel of hope and give people the choice, no. Mabigyan din po sila ng options for to live longer. So yun lang po, no. So I hope may na-impart po ako kahit konti na it's not that worse na sa mga narinig niyo pong testimony earlier. So yun lang po. So thank you for listening and God bless us.
Thank you so much, Miss Lily Ann Perea, for sharing your story of life, no? Grabe, no? Grabe talaga yung amazing, no? I've been in Riway for 4 years na, pero yung nakakarinig ka talaga ng live testimony, no, ngayon, na nakaka-bless talaga, na nagiging mas thankful ka kasi nandito ka sa Relay. So thank you, Miss Lily Ann, for sharing your story tonight. And I hope yung ating mga visitors, yung guest leaders, you were inspired by her story. And yung narinig natin ngayon, no? It is now our responsibility to share it to others. So wag tayong madamot parang si Miss Mai, si Engineer Mai. Dahil naging okay, naging maganda yung result sa anak niya and sa father niya. Ang pakiramdam niya, it's now their responsibility to share it to others. Kasi you'll never know, someone is praying, no? Na talagang gusto niyang makarecover, gusto niya pang humaba kahit paano yung life niya, and you could be the answer to the prayer. If you will share what you heard tonight. Are you okay with that? Pwede ba natin i-share ito, lahat ng mga narinig, nakita natin sa lahat ng ating makakausap starting mamaya after ng Zoom event. Pero don't you worry, hindi pa po tayo nagtatapos. We have another speaker. Alright? Alam ko sobrang busy nito pero talagang pinagbigyan po tayo. Talaga to have the closing, no, to have our event be ma-close niya. She is our closing speaker for tonight. And this person is really important to me because siya yung naging daan para magkaroon kami ng another opportunity to bounce back in our lives. No? So, I've known her since 2018. Pero nung shinare niya sa akin ito, hindi ko pinansin. Hindi ko muna pinansin because I was so busy doing the business that I am doing before. Pero I really believe into perfect timing. No? And I believe tonight, this is your perfect timing, ladies and gentlemen. And malaki yung influence niya sa akin to who I am and where I am right now because I really look up to her. And the reason why I follow her footsteps, kasi siya yung taong she really knew kung ano yung sinasabi niya. And kung sinasabi niya, gagawin niya. And siya yung nag-influence sa akin to do this full-time because I saw talaga yung change, the quality of their life, yung lifestyle niya. Sino ba naman yung hindi ma-amaze na during pandemic, at the middle of pandemic, lahat ng tao ay namumroblema finances. Sino ba hindi namumroblema ng finances? Meron po ba? Ako, nakataas ang kamay ko. Pero you know what? During pandemic, no? Namumroblema ka ng pambayad mo ng ganito, ganyan, lahat, no? Kasi we were really restrained that time. Pero siya, nagpapa-renovate lang naman siya ng bahay niya. Diba nakakainis? Alam mo, I have really regret na hindi ako naniwala agad-agad sa sinasabi niya. Pero of course, 'di ba? Sa una naman ganun talaga. Pero when we saw, no, the result from that opportunity, doon ka mapapaisip na why not hindi ko to bigyan ng chance. And isa pa, no, yun yung first thing na napaisip ako during the pandemic. And then pangalawa, year 2021, January 2021, she was able to buy a brand new car ng cash lang naman. Diba? Kurot lang po yun sa kinita niya that time. Diba nakakainis? Pandemic, zoom lang. Pero itong taong to, grabe. Sabi ko, ginagawa nito. Kaya, alam mo yun, nagmamadali talaga ako. Hindi ko to gawin full time. I wanted to do it and I wanna see na ako rin, kaya ko din, di ba? So parang, alam mo yon, and then talagang nakaka-stress, parang, ano bang ginagawa niya na hindi ko kayang gawin? So talaga, sabi ko, Miss Mai, gusto ko talagang gawin full-time, sabi niya sa akin, no, sis, huwag ko muna mag-full-time, gawin mo muna to, ang sabi niya, pag stable na yung income mo, pag 6 digits ka na continuously every month, pwede ka na mag-resign dyan sa dati mong business. Pero ako matigas ang ulo. Pag ginusto ko, whatever it is. So March of 2021, I decided to do it full-time. And March 3, nagkita kami sa office sa Starbucks. Nasa pintuan pa lang, binibigay niya na yung pang-Starbucks, sis magkape kami. Diba? And I told her, Miss Mai, this is the time. I will do it full time. So grabe po yung influence ng taong ito. Kaya, no, ladies and gentlemen, I would like, no, kung ano man yung ginagawa nyo ngayon sa bahay, kung kakain kayo, wag mo muna kayong kakain. Give your 100 full attention with this woman. Kasi sabi ko nga, this is the Iron Lady in Metro Manila. Alright? So you will learn a lot from her. No? Kaya ganito ko ako fired up because of her. Diba? So nakita nyo kung gaano siya kagaling mangbudol. Hindi, kidding aside. So without further ado, I would like to welcome our closing speaker for tonight, the very powerful, no, leader in Riwi International, our Team Elite Pavo, Engineer Mylene Anu.
Ayan. So, good evening once again, no? Grabe naman, na-pressure ako doon. No, so, thank you so much, Isban, no, for all the amazing introduction. Thank you so much. Of course, to our MC, Vanessa Roses, for giving me your trust, both of you na mag-asawa. And of course, sa lahat po ng leaders na nandito sa Zoom room tonight. Of course, thank you so much din sa ating, of course, napakagaling na product speaker. No, as always. And of course, dahil siya yung nag-present tonight, mas maganda yan sa akin ng mga 0.0001. Alright? And then, thank you so much then, Ma'am Lily, for bravely sharing your story. Thank you so much. Please give yourselves a round of applause po, ladies and gentlemen. And for all the guests na nandito po sa room tonight, I would like to address yung question kanina, is it safe? Let me share my screen quickly, okay? Ito po. These are the ingredients of Purecare placenta. Okay? So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, meron po tayo dyan stem cell. And then, nucleic lavem, it's anti-inflammatory, lahat po ng inflammation sa body na kokorek niya, so including the tumor. It's also anti-tumor and it can help break down tumors. Fukoidan is a brown seaweed cultured in Japan na based on the studies conducted by the Japan Cancer Institute. Fukoidan can kill cancer cells without harming the good cells. Apple, in each capsule, para kang kumain ng 100 apples in nutrient. And then dendrobium. Dendrobium is a top 1 immortality herb in Chinese medicine. When we say immortality herb, it can revive dying cells or yung mga patay na cells. That is why yung nakita nyo kaninang bulok na paa, kahit bulok na po, amoy patay na revive pa niya and nag-heal siya. It's because kinontrol ng apple polyphenol ang sugar to make it normal so that the body could heal itself. No? Plus, of course, the stem cells and all the active ingredients. Makikita nyo dito, stem cell, nucleic lavem, fucoidan, apple polyphenol, dendrobium, marine collagen, evening primrose, squalene, avocado oil, borage oil, aloe vera, lycopene. If you have cancer, saan ba ang hindi mo pwedeng kainin? If you have stroke, saan po ba ang hindi mo pwedeng kainin? If you are pregnant, alin dito yung hindi mo pwedeng kainin? If you are a baby, alin dito ang hindi mo pwedeng kainin? Saan po dito sa ingredient na to ang nakakalason sa katawan natin? As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, all of the ingredients are only what? Food supplements. That is why we are only under category of food supplement. We are food basically. But of course, we have the most powerful stem cell in it. So yung question kanina, is it okay kung 40 yung medicine na iniinom ng pasyente, mas matakot ka po sa 40 na iniinom ng pasyente mo kaysa dito. No, this is all natural, wala pong side effects at all. All right? So I will stop sharing my screen. And then for the past 4 years, ladies and gentlemen, that we have been advocating this is the only thing I will say. nakita po namin halos araw-araw yung mga taong umiinom. Pag nagbabalita sa amin ng kanilang progress, araw-araw po nag-goosebumps pa rin ako. May goosebumps pa rin ako, parang hindi ako nasasanay na yung product talaga, meron pala talagang ganitong product na nasa market. Yes, there is. Kasi ito lang yung pagkukunan mo ng scenario. Saan ka po makakakita ng company na for 15 years has only one health product? Kung iisa lang ang produkto mo and your product is walang kwenta, hindi ka po mabubuhay kahit 1-2 taon. But look at Riway International right now. I would like to give you a glimpse of how big Riway International is with a single product that we have. Last January of 2023, we had our gala dinner. It is a anniversary gala dinner in Taiwan. And yung company po nagpakain ng 26,000 people. Lahat po ng leaders niya who really worked hard, nilibre po niya. And that is 12-course meal all for free. Binayaran pa po lahat ng airfare namin, lahat ng hotel accommodation namin just for us to go there. So if you still have doubt if the product is really working, ito yung masasabi ko sa iyo. The product is really effective. Hindi na po question kung yung product is effective or not, it is really effective. And katulad nga nung sabi ko kanina, no, yung papa namin for 4 years, nadugtungan yung buhay niya, seeing yung papa mo for 166,000, nakikita mo yung papa mo buhay for 4 years and enjoying their remaining years on earth. Hindi yung nakahiga na lang, dying, nag-aantay na lang kung kailan sila mamamatay. Can you imagine yung life na maibibigay mo sa papa mo, seeing na nagwawalis pa, gumagala pa, nag-enjoy pa, somehow. So ladies and gentlemen, kahit ano pa po yung sabihin namin dito tonight, if hindi nyo po bubuksan yung mata nyo and hindi po kayo maniniwala sa sinasabi namin, wala pa rin pong mangyayari. So parang katulad ng asukal, sugar. How sweet is the sugar? Siyempre sabihin ko, siguro matamis. Siguro konting tamis. Siguro sobrang tamis. Kapag hindi mo titikman, hindi mo malalaman kung gaano po siya katamis. So same as true with our product, ladies and gentlemen, pag hindi mo siya titikman, hindi mo po malalaman kung totoo ba yung mga pinagsasabi namin dito or hindi. And you know, ladies and gentlemen, hindi po kami madamot for the opportunity that Riway has been giving us for the past 4 years. And like I always say, successful na po ako, hindi ko na kayo actually kailangan. But then we are here. Ayaw po namin maging selfish. It's because gusto po namin na mas marami po yung makakaalam that there is this kind of product and there is this kind of opportunity in the market right now. I have a son with autism. And before I know Riway, you know, sobrang nag-aalala po ako what will happen to my son if I am going, when it's my time to go. And because of my Riway business, sabi ko nga, when it's my time to go, my Riway business will take care of my children. So what does it mean? It means that as early as now, right now, ladies and gentlemen, I am building a legacy that I could leave for my next generations. Yung mga anak ko po, when it's my time to go, hindi na po sila magugutom. It's because lahat po ng ipinundar mo dito sa Riway, lahat ng hard work mo, lahat ng effort mo, wala pong masasayang, iiwanan mo po yan sa family mo. So where can you find a business like that will support also? You can do that with your sisters, your brothers, lahat po ng isang buong angkan mo, kahit dalhin mo dito lahat, mas marami, mas masaya. But you know, the good thing na isa sa mga nangyari sa buhay namin is also seeing people like Vanessa, like Ma'am Ann, like Shawi, like Dali, and the rest of the leaders that's in this room na unti-unti din pong nababago yung buhay nila. From who they were before, regardless kung sino ka, kung ano ka dati, kung anong educational background mo, kung anong mistakes na gawa mo in the past, in Riway International, ladies and gentlemen, we are given that same starting point. Regardless kung ngayon ka lang magsimula, kaya mo po akong lampasan, depende po sa hard work mo. That same starting point that each and every one of us has the chance to grow and to grow and to get the dreams that we've been dreaming for so long, ladies and gentlemen. And you know, with Reway International, we are given a brand new life. Sabi ko nga, lagi kong sinasabi, lahat po tayo, pagka nag-join ka ng Reway, you will be given a white piece of paper wherein you have the power to rewrite your story. Kung ayaw mo po yung buhay mo before in Reway International, yes, you have the power to rewrite your story kung ano pong gusto mo mangyari sa bagong buhay that Reway is giving you. So, with that, no, ayoko na pong i-consume a lot of your time. I know it's already late, but once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us this evening. And I hope na na-bless po tayo. And to become a blessing, ladies and gentlemen, we have to share what we've heard tonight. And kung meron pa po kayong mga tanong, you can ask me or you can directly ask the person who invited you. And you have to say thank you po sa mga taong nag-invite sa inyo dahil sa dinami ng kanilang mga kakilala, kayo po yung naisip nila. And that means you are close to their hearts, ladies and gentlemen. So with that, maraming salamat once again. And good night po and God bless everyone.
Hi, thank you so much, our Team Elite Pavo Engineer Mylene Amugis. Yan, so di ba, tama ba yung aking introduction sa kanya? Have you learned so much from her? As much as I do, no? So, the ball is now yours, ladies and gentlemen. Lahat ng nakita nyo rito, lahat ng natutunan nyo, just pass on to the next person that you will be meeting tonight or bukas. Kasi you will never know. That person is praying for a change of his life and for his or her family. So with that, thank you so much everyone. Kung may mga tanong pa po kayo, this is the perfect time to mute yourself and ask that question. Or else, forever, is ayan, so thank you so much. Meron pa bang tanong? Wala na ba? Magbasa muna ako sa chat box, no, before tayo mag-end. Baka meron tayong na-miss out. Wala naman. So thank you. Thank you, Miss Mai daw, sabi ng ating mga speakers. And of course, sa ating presenter, si Miss Engineer Sharon Aguinaldo and our live testimonial product, testimonial si Miss Lily Amperil. So yun, that's it for us for tonight. Thank you so much po and have a blessed weekend, everyone. Goodbye!